Reset your life. 7 powerful rules to begin again. Hello, my dear friends. Let me ask you a question. Are you living the life you truly want? Or do you sometimes feel lost, tired, and stuck? Many of us carry regrets from the past. Many of us waste time in habits that bring no value. Many of us feel heavy inside, as if life is controlling us, not the other way around. But listen carefully. Life can always be reset. You can press the invisible button and begin again. You can rebuild yourself. You can change your path. You can write a new story. It does not matter how many times you failed, how old you are, or where you are right now. What matters is that you choose to begin. Today, I will share with you 7 powerful rules. These are not just tips. These are life principles. If you follow them, your life will slowly transform. They are simple, but they are strong. They will help you create peace, power, and a new version of yourself. So, sit quietly, open your heart, and let us begin. Rule 1. Go silent and rebuild your peace. The first rule is silence. We live in a noisy world. Everywhere, people are talking, posting, shouting, and rushing. Phones are buzzing. Social media never stops. News is always loud. In this storm of voices, we forget the most important voice, our own. To reset your life, you must go silent, not forever, but regularly. Silence is medicine. It heals your mind. It gives you space to think, to reflect, to breathe. Take 1 hour a day for silence. No phone, no music, no talking. Just sit with yourself. Walk alone. Write in your journal. Pray or meditate. Listen to your own thoughts. At first, it feels uncomfortable, but slowly, silence becomes peace. When you are silent, you begin to see things clearly. You understand your emotions better. You realize what is important and what is not. You stop reacting to every little distraction. You find your balance again. A calm mind is a strong mind, so learn to go silent. In silence, you rebuild your peace, and peace is the foundation for everything else. Rule 2. Reinvent yourself. Become unrecognizable in 6 months. The second rule is reinvention. Many people stay stuck because they keep repeating the same identity. This is who I am. I cannot change. But my friend, you are not a stone. You are human. You can transform. Decide today. In 6 months, I will not be the same person. I will grow so much that people will not even recognize me. How can you do this? Start by removing what no longer serves you. Stop wasting hours on useless activities. Stop surrounding yourself with negative people. Stop feeding your body with junk. Stop feeding your mind with garbage. Then build a new version of yourself. Create new habits. Read new books. Learn a new skill. Exercise daily. Eat clean. Speak kindly. Push yourself to grow. 6 months may sound short, but it is enough to become a new person. Think about it. If you read 10 pages every day in 6 months, you finish 6 or 7 books. If you exercise for 30 minutes daily in 6 months, your body will feel different. If you practice discipline every day in 6 months, your confidence will shine. Rule 3. Wake up early. The third rule is to wake up early. Morning is a gift. It is the most peaceful time of the day. The world is quiet. Distractions are fewer. Your mind is fresh. When you wake up late, you chase the day. You feel behind, stressed, and rushed. But when you wake up early, you control the day. You begin with calmness and strength. Use your mornings wisely. Do not waste them scrolling on your phone. Instead, use them for growth. Pray, read, write, exercise, or plan your day. Even 1 hour in the morning can change your life. Look at history. Many great leaders and thinkers were early risers. They knew the value of the morning. Start small. Wake up just 30 minutes earlier. Then slowly increase. Create a morning routine that makes you strong, peaceful, and focused. Remember, the way you start your day shapes the way you live your life. Rule 4. Focus on one goal only. The fourth rule is focus. Too many people try to do everything at once. They start many projects, but finish none. Their energy is scattered. Their time is wasted. If you want to reset your life, choose one goal, not 10. 1. Focus all your energy on it. Protect it. Nurture it. Imagine the sun. Its light is warm, but when focused through a magnifying glass, it becomes fire. That is the power of focus. So ask yourself, what is the one thing that will change my life the most if I achieve it? Choose that. Make it your mission. Every day, work on this goal. Even small progress counts. Remove distractions that do not serve it. Do not waste your power on too many directions. When you master one goal, your confidence grows. Then you can move to the next. But first, train your mind to focus. Because a distracted life is a wasted life. Rule 5. Talk less, work more. The fifth rule is discipline of speech. Many people talk too much. They talk about their dreams, their plans, their goals, but they never take action. Words without action are empty. To reset your life, reduce your words, increase your actions. Let your results speak louder than your voice. Talking less also gives you power. People who speak constantly lose their energy. People who speak carefully keep their strength. Silence makes you mysterious. Work makes you respected. So, my friend, stop announcing every step. Stop proving yourself with words. Prove yourself with results. Remember, eagles fly silently. Lions hunt quietly, but when the work is done, the whole world sees the result. Rule 6. Practice daily. Gratitude. The sixth rule is gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for what you already have. It is easy to complain. It is easy to focus on what is missing. But when you live in complaint, your heart becomes heavy. Gratitude changes everything. When you wake up, say, "Thank you for another day." When you eat, say, "Thank you for this food." When you see your loved ones, say, "Thank you for their presence." Gratitude does not mean you stop wanting more. It means you appreciate the journey while working for your goals. A grateful heart is peaceful. A grateful heart attracts more blessings. Make it a daily practice. Write 3 things you are thankful for every night. Say thank you to people around you. Look at what you already have instead of what you lack. Gratitude turns little into enough. Gratitude gives joy even in simple things, and joy is the best fuel for a new life. Rule 7. Master self-discipline. The 7th rule is self-discipline. Without discipline, all other rules are weak. You may have dreams, plans, and habits, but without discipline, you will not continue. Discipline is the bridge between goals and success. It means doing what you must do, even when you do not feel like it. Wake up when the alarm rings, not when you feel like it. Study when it is time, not when you are in the mood. Exercise even when you feel lazy. Save money even when you want to spend. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect. It is proving to yourself that your future matters more than your excuses. At first, discipline feels heavy, but slowly it becomes strength. You stop depending on motivation. You move with willpower. Remember, discipline creates freedom. When you control yourself, nothing outside can control you. My friends, we have walked through 7 powerful rules Go silent and rebuild your peace. Reinvent yourself. Become unrecognizable in 6 months. Wake up early. Focus on one goal only. Talk less. Work more. Practice daily gratitude. Master self-discipline. These rules are not complicated. They are simple, but they require commitment. If you practice them daily, you will see change. In 6 months, in 1 year, you will look back and say, I am not the same person. I reset my life. I began again. The power is in your hands. Choose silence. Choose focus. Choose gratitude. Choose discipline. Your reset begins today.